Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm back with a new reaction video and today I'll be reacting on the song Sila by Zubin Garg. So chalo, without wasting any time, let's check the video out. So let's start.
Sila sila moi tora kakhore uri uri phuru moi daore pohore sila moi tora kakhore ঘুরি ঘুরি ফুৰু মই মনৰ আশে পাশে চিলনিৰ জাকুৰে ময়ো তাকে খেদি যাওঁ খুটা কাটি গ'লেও তোৰেই ঘৰ পাওঁ চিলা মই তোৰা কাষৰে উৰি উৰি ফুৰু মই দৰে পোহৰে চিলা মই তোৰা কাষৰে উৰি উৰি ফুৰু মই মনৰ আশে পাশে বৰষাৰে এই গুণগুণ ৰুণুক জুনুক সুমধুৰ উৰিব নোৱাৰো বৰ কামোৰ সদায় উৰিবলৈ মন যায় আকাশ ভেদি ভেদি মোৰ ছিগি হ'লেও পৰিম আচলতে তোৰ চিলনিৰ জাকুৰে ময়ো তাকে খেদি যাওঁ খুটা কাটি গ'লেও তোৰেই ঘৰ পাওঁ চিলা মই তোৰা কাষৰে উৰি উৰি ফুৰু মই মনৰ আশে পাশে মাখন মোৰ সপোন হাতৰ পাকতে তোৰ ঘূৰা ঘূৰা লেতাই ঘূৰা মই আদিম নাচো নৰে মই পগলা নাচো নৰে পখিলা তাৰে তাৰে তোৰ ছন্দত মই নাচিম চিলনিৰ জাকুৰে ময়ো তাকে খেদি যাওঁ খুটা কাটি গ'লেও তোৰেই ঘৰ পাওঁ চিলা মই আকাশৰে উৰি উৰি ফুৰো মই ডাৱৰে পোহৰে
Okay guys, so the song is actually awesome, and over here the name of the song is not Sila, is actually Chila. Okay, and Zubin Garg has done a wonderful job over here. The picturization, the song, the love story, the composition, everything is very much exceptional. The wordings are also very nice. It's not like other love stories sort of thing. It's very different. It's shown that two very different person, how can they fall in love with each other, and he tried to be a medium of of their connection. And along with that, in this videography they have shown the artistic way, how a person can be so artistic, and a girl can fall in love with him. And along with that, not only that's why I say that the song and the the picturization is very much the story is very much different. And when I was checking the location, it was so lovely, man. I was thinking that kash main wahan par hoti. It was so lovely, and the editing skill is also awesome. Zubin ka gale ke bare mein kya kahu, his voice is just awesome, so there is nothing that I can say. His voice is just like this videography. His voice is also very exceptional. He has a lovely voice, very soothing to ears. Love songs suit him the best. I have also reacted many of his song. One of his famous song and very close to my heart is Rumal, and this is the this is the second song which is now my favorite wala song. And thank you to my subscriber who requested me to react on this song. Otherwise I wouldn't have known. It was not in my knowledge ki there is another song like Rumal, very 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 nice. So here it is. I reacted on it. Guys, do let me know if you subscribe, if you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you for all your support. Thank you to my new subscribers, to my old family members. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me from the first day. I'll be ending my video here. Tata, bye bye, see ya.